A cold wind whistles through the valleys beneath Kangchenjunga, the mighty sentinel of the Himalayas. Our team, a diverse group of seasoned mountaineers from the four corners of Pov. It's not just about physical fortitude. They've honed technical climbing skills, mastering the ropes that may offer the only lifeline in a perilous blizzard. Route planning has been meticulous, with maps sprawled across tables as they trace their fingers along the deceptive lines that belittle the challenging landscape. Permits were not just sheets of paper, they were gate passes to their dreams. The gear, well selected for the harsh conditions of the altitude, was not just about protection, but survival. As they look up at the snow-clad Titan ahead of them, the air thin around them, they know one thing: the climb begins now. The globe stands united by the singular dream of standing atop the world's third highest peak. Months have been spent laboring, not just against weights in the clock, but against the doubt that eats away at the resolve of